Hi everyone. I have come here today for a very small announcement, but I need a very important one. So there are two things that I want to share with you guys, and I thought that it's best that I come online, come on YouTube in order to share it with you. There are two things that I wanted to tell you. Number one, I'm very glad that the condition in Kerala is improving, however little it might be, but it's still on the upside now. The rains have subsided, and it's expected that the situation will improve very fast over the next 10-15 days. And the people of Kerala, the students of Kerala, have had a very hard time. And in order to encourage them to take the examination more seriously, and in order to encourage them not to skip it this year, I have decided, the entire team has decided that we are going to provide the test series that we have for phase 2 examination as well as for phase 1 for free to all the Kerala students. Now, in order to avail that, in order to take advantage of that, in order to connect with me, to be able to take it for free, you just have to send me a mail. All the Kerala students have to just send me a mail over successrbi@anujjindal.in, and in the mail you can just tell me that you belong to Kerala, and you can provide me one or any kind of document which proves that you are from Kerala: driving license, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, anything that tells me that you have done your education or are domiciled in Kerala. And I will be very happy to provide you with the test series for free. The purpose of this is not sympathy, the purpose of this is to encourage you to not skip the examination this year, no matter how hard it is, because every year a lot of students from Kerala get through. And I don't want, and I would not like that any of you who has a chance to get into RBI skips it this year because of this calamity. The next thing that I wanted to talk about is the names of all the students who have, students and other people, whether family members, whether my employees, anyone and everyone who has contributed towards the donation drive that we started, and we received a very good response. More than 20,000 rupees has been received. We are also donating in very large numbers, and the proof although is available online in the form of a certificate of the first drive that we carried out, and we received 17,000 approximately in that. So I would like to share with you all the names of the people who have donated. It does not matter whether they have donated 10 rupees or 100 rupees or 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. What matters is their empathy towards the people of Kerala, and whatever they could donate, whatever they could provide, whatever they wanted to shell out from their pocket, they did that without any expectations of getting anything in return. So we are going to move to the PPT mode, wherein I will be sharing the names of all the students, all the people, whether family or friends, who have shared some or more amount of money. And it's very important that we thank them. No matter what they have donated, we should thank them, and we should try. Or if you have not donated for this drive, we should rethink about it, take 5 minutes out of our lives and try and donate more, so that those people and the government which is suffering at this point of time gets some money, some respite through our donations. So these are the names of all the students. I would like to again thank all the students, all the people, whether family or friends, who have donated for the floods. uh, so let's go once to all these names: Pushpa Mahanta, Parit Kalara, Puneet Bansal, Madhu Kumari Kodia, Manish Kumar, Rochak Talwar, Abhijit Patil, Manikandan, Ayush Piyush Yadav, Harish Chaudhary, Gajendra, Shikha Rani, Rohit Das, Anshu Goel, Biplav Gav, Soumya Ranjan, Mohit Jadhav. And a lot of these names are actually my own students. I know them personally. I stay in touch with them. They keep calling me. And it feels so good to see all these people coming forward and contributing towards the floods, contributing towards these, for the help of these people. So all these are the names and their contributions. No matter how much they've contributed, in the end what matters is that you're thinking about it. Your intentions do matter to a very large extent. These people are thinking about the people in Kerala, how they are suffering, and it's very important that we give a round of applause in our own, within ourselves, and tell us that okay, probably we can also come forward and make some contribution, no matter how small or big it is. What matters is your contribution, that you can spend 5 minutes of your time and try to help out these people who are in need. So I would like to finish it today with these two announcements: the names of people who contributed, and secondly, the Kerala students from Kerala who have been affected by these floods. can connect with me and can take advantage of this thing that I'm starting. You can avail this benefit, try and get more serious. Whatever time has been lost. But in the future, in the coming about 20 days that you have, you can study more seriously, take advantage of the test series, and no money, nothing would be charged from you guys. I would be manually handling the entire thing so that as many Keralites as possible can take the examination more seriously for both phase 1 as well as phase 2.